Now, we focus on the few practical features specific to Google Documents. The first is sharing the document. Here, we first select the share icon on the top right hand corner. Now, we are given an option of renaming our document here. Now, it's time to share the document. We type in the email IDs of the people we want to share it with. Next, we decide the level of access we want to grant. Viewer, who is only allowed to view the document and not make any changes or add comments. Then we have commenter, who is allowed to add comments to the document but not make any changes. Then finally we have editor, who is allowed to make changes and add comments. If you want to send a message along with the document, type it in the message box and then we select send. Now, apart from adding the names of the people manually, you can also create a link to the document by clicking on copy link. Here as well, you get an option of the mode of sharing, that is editor, commenter and viewer. And apart from this, you also have the option to keep the access restricted to the people you have named above or open to all people in your university or organization, or keep it open for all the people who have the link with them. And then press done. If a person has commenter access, they can add comments as they see fit, but it is up to the owner whether to implement it or not. Now, as an example, you can see the user has suggested deleting this paragraph. If the owner wants to implement this change, they simply click on the tick button to accept the suggestion. The document has now changed according to the comment. If the person has editor access, they can collaborate with the owner of the document and both can edit the document as they please. Now, as you can see, there are two users editing this document. Both have a different colored cursor. The next feature we cover is version history. To view the previous version of the document, we follow the following steps. First, we select the File button. Then, we click on Version History from the drop-down list and select See Version History. Now, all the versions of the document can be viewed along with the changes made in the document. If you want to go back to a previous version, click on the version you wish to revert to on and click on Restore this version on the top left. The next feature we see is the Explore feature of Google Documents. On the bottom right hand corner, you will see an icon named Explore. You can use this icon to search files, images, or information to help finish your work. Google also suggests instant topics, which are search results for topics related to your document. To see a result, click on the desired title. Now we've reached the end. It's now time to download our document. For this, we click on File and under File, we select Download. A file can be downloaded under a variety of formats. We select the one we want and the file will be downloaded to your computer. We have DocX, which is a file extension for word processing documents, mostly used in the proprietary Microsoft Word binary file format. Then we have PDF, which is mostly used, which stands for Portable Document Format. Essentially, the format is used when you need to save files that cannot be modified, but still easily be shared and printed. A document named About Park is now saved as a PDF on my computer.